This is my construction update number 4. So, this is June now. They got construction workers in a construction zone right now. So, they doing work now. So the new ride might be open by 4th of July. I'm hearing they pushing it to get this built by the 4th. If not, I'm hearing after the 4th. Probably sometime in July this new ride be open. But right now I see they doing foundation work. They added some more foundation. So I see a little foundation right now. But I can't wait for this new ride to be open. Can't wait. I'm getting excited. So this new ride be open soon. Really soon. Really soon. So I think they're doing the queue line now as we speak. Take another look at this beautiful ride. Just sitting waiting to get installed. So the progress is, once they do the queue and the construction work, they're gonna put the ride up. After they put the ride up, they have to do a lot of cycle runs, test cycles. I think like 200 hours of cycles. Then after that, they have to, the state of New Hampshire has to state inspection, inspect the whole ride. Then once they pass inspection, they can open it. So might be open by the 4th. I'm hearing the 4th or after the 4th. Now once the ride be done, I'm gonna have footage of the ride being tested, and I will have ride footage when the ride be open. I will let y'all guys know. You'll be the first one to know. It looks good. Can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see how it works. Like I said, my friends rolling in Hershey Park. Got people rolling in Coney Island, Noonan Park. There's another one in Pigeon Forge near Dollywood. There's another one in, I think in Mall America. These rides popping up everywhere. I'm surprised Six Flags New England never get one yet. It might be the next ride going to Six Flags New England. So this month of June. So this is the progress of the new ride. The progress of the new ride. So I can't wait for the new ride to be open. So when the next update comes, I will show you all the next update. So for now, this is a new update. So this is my new update of the construction of a new ride at Canobie Park 2024. If y'all new to the channel, subscribe, press like. If you have any questions, comment below. And see you guys in the next construction update.